In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Shopify inventory not being tracked, specifically for the year 2025. Whether you're new to Shopify or have been using it for a while, inventory errors can be frustrating, but don't worry, we're going to tackle them step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your inventory tracking set up correctly and running smoothly. First things first, start by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. From there, locate and click on My Store at the homepage. This is your central hub for all Shopify management tasks. It's essential to be familiar with this area because it's where you'll be making the necessary adjustments to fix your inventory tracking issues. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to click on the Products tab. This section houses all of the products listed in your store, and it's where you'll find the particular items whose inventory you need to track. If you have a large product catalog, utilizing the search function can help you quickly locate the product you're looking for. Let's use Example Shirt 2 as our specific product for this demonstration. Click on Example Shirt 2 from your product list to open up its details. This page provides you with all the critical information about your product, including pricing, descriptions, and most importantly, inventory settings. Now locate the section that says Track Quantity. This feature is crucial because, without inventory tracking, you might end up overselling or not keeping your customers informed about product availability. Click on Track Quantity to enable this setting. This ensures that Shopify will automatically update the inventory count as this product is sold. After clicking Track Quantity, it's vital to verify that the physical product option is also checked. So, look for the label, "This is a physical product," and click on it to ensure it's enabled. This step signifies to Shopify that your product has tangible stock that needs monitoring and helps avoid any oversights. At this point, you should also double-check your settings to confirm everything is in order. Make sure that both Track Quantity and This is a Physical Product are enabled. Review your inventory levels and adjust them if necessary. This double-check helps prevent errors and maintains accuracy in tracking. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Shopify store to track inventory for your products accurately. This simple yet effective process will prevent inventory discrepancies and optimize your store management. Thank you for following along, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy selling!